Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook leads to Kajabi. All right. Now, in order to connect these two, you'll need an integration platform like Zapier, Make.com, Pabbly Connect, or even Save My Leads. These tools act as a bridge, allowing you to set up trigger for a new lead on Facebook and an action to add the lead to your Kajabi account, ensuring new contacts are automatically transferred. Now, to do that, we're going to be using Zapier right here. Just go ahead over to zapier.com and create your account. Just click on sign up and it's easy to create an account. I'm just going to go ahead and log in as I already have my free account right here. All right. Once logged in, just go ahead over to the top left and hit on create. Go ahead over to Zaps. In here is a trigger. We would need Facebook lead ads. Click on trigger, look for Facebook. Now go ahead and find lead ads. Right here. As you can see here, it says premium. You can just go ahead and click on this drop down at the top and start using the Pro feature for free. Just click on Start Pro Trial right here. If you like it, if you want to add in more premium features, you can go ahead and click on Upgrade to Pro. But do keep in mind that not everything right here are premium. Facebook leads added, go ahead and select a trigger event. For example, new lead from Facebook lead ads. Connect your lead ads account. For example, this one. Once connected, you can go ahead and hit on continue. Select a page from your Facebook account, for example, this one, and select a form if you do have any form. If you don't have a form, you can go ahead and create one from your Facebook lead ads account. Now, just hit on continue once you have added a form and just test the trigger. Once done, you'll be able to see a check mark right here. That means you're good to go. Now, for action, click on it, go ahead and find Kajabi. Wait for it to load, just click on Kajabi. As you can see here, Kajabi is for free. It is not premium. So select an action. For example, you have three options in here: create a form submission, grant access to an offer, or revoke access to an offer. Now it says here for create form submission, submits a form on behalf of a contact. This will opt in the contact for email marketing. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this option for this example, then connect my Kajabi account. All right, as it says here, it needs our API key and secret. So how do we find it, or where do we find it? Go to your Kajabi account and here go to settings. And here just scroll down and find account details. Click on it. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down and you will find your API key. Just click on copy, find the pop-up right here, paste, API secret as well, copy, paste in the pop-up. Yes, continue to Kajabi. All right. Once done, go back to Zapier. As you can see here, it's loading. Here I have my Kajabi account connected. So hit on continue, test the step, select the site, for example, this one, and select the form. For example, for testing right here, I'm going to go ahead and add in Ryan Tristan and the email, maybe ryantristan@gmail.com. All right. So these two right here are just for testing. Tap away and hit on continue. Test the step. All right. Now all you have to do next is just hit on publish. Now to explain this, once you hit on publish right here, everything right here will go online. So basically Zapier will just wait for a new lead from Facebook lead ads and then automatically create a form submission. And then as it states earlier, form submission, it says it will submit a form on behalf of a contact, and this will opt in the contact for email marketing. So basically, you will have a contact created on your Kajabi contact list. All right. Again, there are new leads from Facebook ads. Zapier right here will automatically create form submissions. And that is it. Just hit on publish and you're good to go. That's how you connect Facebook leads to Kajabi. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.